everybody, I'm Sid Shivnath and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you this cool machine I built, the copycat hand. Now you see a hand right here and a slot right here. So what does the copycat hand do? Well, if you take a look and put your hand right here, and this hand is going to copy the movements left to right. Isn't that amazing? Oh yeah, and it can also go like this with your wrist movement, and you can combine movements too like that. It's a pretty cool machine, and the program is actually relatively simple. Now let's go on to how the copycat hand actually works. Alright, so this actually has a very simple program. So what the program does, see, I'll just put it like that right there. So this motor right here is copying what the motions of this motor. So if this motor is like that, for example, this motor is gonna go like that also. So it sees what, let's say it goes down X number of degrees, then it's gonna report it to this motor and it'll go down the same number of degrees. Same with this one right here. If this one goes like that, then this one will also know it should go like that. And it'll go to the shortest path, not counterclockwise or clockwise. In the program, I'll show you where to select it. So it goes for the shortest path, and it only takes like 0.05 seconds for this hand to copy what this hand is actually doing. So it's pretty impressive, but also very simple. Alright, so here is the program for the copycat hand. And like I said, it was actually really simple. So here when the program starts, A and C will set speed to 100. Now A and C are the motors, or I can say the motor pair for the copycat hand. So A being the actual hand, then C being sort of the wrist area. So that will be set speed to 100, so it can always move really fast. And this is put in a forever loop, so it can forever take a look at what our hand is doing, and it'll keep copying it with no breaks. And broadcast sync, as you can see, it's a message. It'll go to right here and right here. A, the actual hand. It's going to go shortest path, like I said. There's clockwise and counterclockwise, but we're going to set shortest path to what the B position or what our hand is doing. And the same goes for the wrist area in C. It'll go shortest path to D position. And that's it. That's the program for the copycat hand. I hope you all enjoyed my explanation of the copycat hand. I hope you all enjoyed this video on the copycat hand. Now please like, share, and subscribe right over there. Bye everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.